Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firebase Cloud Messaging token handling in Android, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Android project in Android Studio. Ensure that you have the necessary dependencies for Firebase in your project. Navigate to the Firebase console and create a new project if you haven't done so already. Add your Android app to the Firebase project by providing the package name. Download the Google Services.json file and place it in your app's app/directory. Open the build.gradle file at the app level. Add the Firebase messaging dependency within the dependencies section. Apply the Google Services plugin by including apply plugin com.google.gms.google services at the bottom of the file. Sync your project with the Gradle files to ensure all dependencies are properly added. Next, create a new Java or Kotlin class that extends Firebase messaging service. Override the onNewToken method in your service class. Inside onNewToken, retrieve the FCM token using the Firebase messaging.getInstance.getToken method. You may want to store the token securely or send it to your server for registration. Override the onMessageReceived method to handle incoming messages. In onMessageReceived, create a notification to display when a message is received. Ensure your manifest file registers the Firebase messaging service. Add the necessary permissions in the manifest for internet access. Now, test the implementation by sending a test message from the Firebase console. Monitor the logcat for the FCM token when the app starts. If your device is registered properly, you should see the token displayed. Verify that notifications are received when a message is sent. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results. With this, you have successfully implemented FCM token handling in your Android app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.